Children, we know how to compare two small numbers or two one digit numbers, isn't it? Suppose I am giving you a number 6 and 8. Which one is greater? 8 is greater than 6, isn't it? Because we know both are one digit numbers. Okay, so to compare the larger numbers, we can adopt some procedures. Okay, to compare two natural numbers, we adopt the following procedure. And the first one is, if the number of digits in the given number is unequal, then the number having more digits is greater. Okay, if the number of digits in the given number is unequal, then the number having more digits is greater. For example, if I am taking the number 6 and I am taking the number 25, okay, in these two numbers, 6 is a single digit number and 25 is a two digit number. So, which one will be the greater one? Yes, the two digit number is greater than the one digit number. So, we can easily write 25 is greater than the number 6, isn't it? So, I will show you some examples by using bigger number. Consider the numbers 5375 and 40381. Here, in 5375, it has 4 digits in it. It is a 4 digit number. And the second number is 40,381. It is a 5 digit number. So tell me which one will be greater? Yes, the greater number is 40,381 because it has 5 digits in it. So the 5 digit number is greater than the 4 digit number. Got it, children? Therefore, we can write 40,381 is greater than 5,375. Okay. Now let's move to the second procedure. Okay. Suppose if the two numbers have the same number of digits, then the number which has a larger leftmost digit is larger. Okay. If the two numbers have the same number of digits, if I am giving you the number 32 and 72, here these two numbers are two digit numbers, isn't it? So here you have to check by using this procedure. What is that? Then the number which has a larger leftmost digit is larger. You check the leftmost digit of both numbers, and which one is larger, that number will be the largest number. Got it? And if this digits also happens to be the same, then we proceed to next digit. Okay, if both are same, then we proceed to the next digit, and that is to the second leftmost digit. Okay, and then we will compare that digits of both numbers and we will write the answer. Okay, suppose that also the same, then you can move to the next place, third leftmost place. Okay, and then you can do the comparison. Got it, children? All right. So I will show you this by using some examples. Look here. Consider the numbers 46,301 and 49,012. Okay. So here these two numbers, the given numbers are 5 digit numbers. Okay. So you have to count the number of digits. Both are 5 digit numbers. So we have to follow the second procedure. That is, you check the leftmost digit of these numbers. Which is the leftmost digit? That is 4 here, and here also it is 4. Now these two numbers leftmost digits are same. So what to do? Yeah, check the second leftmost digit. The second leftmost digit is 6 and here it is 9. Which is greater? 9 is greater than 6, isn't it? So which number will be the greater one? Yes, 49,012 is the greater number. So here we can write as 9 greater than 6. Therefore, 49,012 is greater than 46,301. Got it, children? This is the way to compare these bigger numbers. Now we are moving to some comparison questions. Okay, let's do some questions based on these comparisons. So the first question is, find the greatest and the smallest numbers. Some numbers are given here. So everyone look at these numbers carefully and you write the greatest number and the smallest number. Okay. So look at the first number. The first number is 4536, next is 4892, then 4370, then 4452. Here we can understand all the numbers are 4-digit numbers. All the numbers are 4-digit numbers. So we have to check or we have to compare these numbers by using the second procedure. Okay, which one we discussed just now. Okay, so according to the second procedure, we have to check the leftmost digit. Here the leftmost digit is 4. Okay, here it is 4. And here also all the numbers are having the digit 4. Okay, so what to do? You have to check the second leftmost digit, and that is 5. Here it is 5, and here it is 8, and here it is 3, and here it is 4. Among these numbers, can you tell me which is the greater one? Yes, 5, 8, 3 and 4. Which is greater one? Which is greater one? Yes, it is 8 is greater than all these digits. So, the answer is 48,000. Yeah, 4,892 is the greater number. Got it, children? Now, which is the smallest one? Which number is smaller here? 5, 8, 3 and 4. Which is smaller? 3 is smaller. So, the smallest number is 4,370. Got it? Okay. Now, let's answer the another question. Look here. It is 25,286, 25,245, 25,270 and 25,210. So here all these numbers are 5-digit numbers, isn't it? So you check the leftmost digit of these numbers. Here it is 2, 2, 2 and 2. All are same. So you check the second leftmost place. That is 5, 5, 5 and 5. That also same. So check the third leftmost place. That is 2, 2, 2 and 2. That also same. So what to do? Check the next place. That is 8. Which are they? 8, 4, 7 and 1. Among these, which is the greater one? Yes, 8 is greater. And which is the smaller one? Yes, that is 1 is smaller. So, we can write or we can find out that the number 25,286 is the greater number and 25,210 is the smallest number. Got it, children? Okay. So, this is the way to compare the numbers and find out the greatest and smallest one. Now, we are moving to next level of comparison, and that is ascending and descending order. So here also we have to compare these numbers and we have to arrange in ascending order. Okay, what is ascending order? Ascending order means arranging the numbers from smallest to largest. Okay, arranging the numbers from smallest to largest. So you check which is the smallest number here. Which is the smallest number?